Maranatha, I'm Smilo. So, I graduated last year in August and I've been looking for a job ever since. Then, sometime in November last year, I got called for an interview, but I didn't get any feedback. I just continued applying, I continued applying. Then, sometime last month, I was like, hey, let me just go for one on one. I'm tired of staying at home. Then I came for one on one on the 8th of May. Then Apostle said that I see you getting a job along Lupane Road. Then on Thursday, I got a call from the interview, from the employers of the interview that I attended in November, and they say that I got the job and I'll be going to Hwange.
Please give us the word of encouragement.
My word of encouragement is that there's nothing that is too hard for God. 3 quarters of the applications that I made were for graduate internships, but I got a permanent job. As I stand here, I'm a qualified, registered, and practicing social worker.